Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beautiful Resin. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will bring for you beautiful color combination ideas about epoxy resin, alphabet keychain, coaster, resin pendant, resin earrings, resin rings, etc. I am making alphabet M keychain with the help of epoxy resin and silver flex for one of my client. Very easy to make. Very beautiful color. You can make easily alphabet M just like that. I have made some other keychain. I will share with you the idea. It is looking very beautiful. I am pouring some resin. You can also make just like that. There are some also beautiful ideas. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.